Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Math Menders Academy. In today's exciting math lesson, we are going to learn how to add two-digit numbers the easy way. We'll use fun examples, simple steps, and colorful math tricks to help you understand quickly. By the end of this video, you'll be solving addition questions like a math superstar. Let's begin. Let's do a quick place value revision. Look carefully at the number 23. The digit 2 is in the tens column, so it means two tens. The digit 3 is in the units column, so it means 3 units. So 23 is made up of 2 tens and 3 units. Great job! Now that we understand place value, adding two-digit numbers will be much easier. Now let's learn how to add two-digit numbers without carrying. Look carefully at the question. 23 plus 14. First, we arrange the numbers in vertical columns. Make sure the tens are under the tens, and the units are under the units. Now, we begin with the units column. 3 plus 4 equals 7. So we write 7 in the units place. Great job! Next, we move to the tens column. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So we write 3 in the tens place. Now let's read the answer together. 37. Excellent work! 23 plus 14 equals 37. Now let's learn how to add two-digit numbers with carrying. Look carefully at the question. 27 plus 15. First, we arrange the numbers correctly in columns. Tens under tens, and units under units. Great job! We always begin with the units column. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Now 12 has 1 10 and 2 units. So we write the 2 in the units place, and carry the 1 to the tens column. Excellent! Now let's add the tens. 1 plus 2 plus 1 equals 4. So we write 4 in the tens place. Now let's read the answer together. 42. 27 plus 15 equals 42. Fantastic work! Excellent work today. We have learned how to add two-digit numbers with carrying and without carrying step by step. Remember, always line up the tens and the units correctly and start adding from a units column first. Thank you for learning with us at Math Menders Academy, where math is made simple, fun, and easy to understand. If you enjoyed this lesson, please share this video with your friends and family, and let us hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our channel for more exciting math lessons and educational content. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep growing smarter every day. See you in the next lesson.
In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught